How often do we wish we had more time in our hands to achieve our dreams and goals? Today, we delve into the realm of time management and personal development. The effective use of time, after all, is a cornerstone of success and fulfillment. A beacon guiding us in this domain is the book 30 Days, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life by Marc Reklau. This insightful guide serves as a compass, steering us towards mastering the art of time. In the next few minutes, we will explore the compelling concepts and ideas presented in this book. Marc Reklau, in his book 30 Days, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, provides a comprehensive guide on how to transform your life by changing your habits. In this inspirational work, Reklau explores the profound impact of habits on our lives. He illuminates the truth that our daily routines, the habits we've cultivated over time, shape our existence and determine our success or failure. The book is a treasure trove of insights into the human mind and behavior. It is centered around the philosophy that by identifying and modifying our habits, we can, in turn, alter the course of our lives. The wrong habits can lead us astray, keeping us stuck in a rut of mediocrity or worse. However, the right habits, those that align with our goals and aspirations, can propel us towards success and fulfillment. Reklau emphasizes the importance of not just creating good habits, but maintaining them as well. It's one thing to start a new exercise routine or commit to reading more, but it's another to stick to these new practices until they become second nature. The key, according to Reklau, lies in consistency and patience. But how, you might ask, does one go about this process of habit transformation? The answer, as proposed by Reklau, lies in taking small, manageable steps consistently over a period of 30 days. This approach, he argues, is far more effective than attempting drastic, sweeping changes all at once. It is these small daily actions that compound over time, leading to significant, lasting change. This concept is not just about changing habits, it's about adopting a new way of living, a new mindset. It's about understanding that every action we take, every decision we make is a step towards or away from our goals. Reklau's 30 Days, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life is more than just a book. It's a roadmap to personal development and success. It's a testament to the power of habits and the potential within each of us to transform our lives through conscious, deliberate change. As Reklau suggests, it's not about making big changes overnight, but about making small, consistent changes over time. From this enlightening book, we can extract several key takeaways that can guide us to better manage our time and develop ourselves. Firstly, the book underscores the importance of habits in shaping our lives. Habits aren't just routines that we mindlessly follow. They are, in fact, the building blocks of our character and destiny. By consciously choosing our habits, we can steer our life in the direction we desire. Secondly, the book extols the power of consistency. It's not about making a huge change all at once, but about making small, consistent changes every single day. It is these incremental improvements that compound over time, leading to significant transformation. Thirdly, the book highlights the impact of small changes over time. It's not the big dramatic actions, but the seemingly insignificant ones that have the most profound effect. A small shift in our daily routine, a tiny adjustment in our attitude, can set off a ripple effect, altering the course of our life. Lastly, the book proposes a 30-day strategy to transform one's life. The strategy involves making a slight change every day for 30 days. It's not about perfection, but progress. And as we progress, we evolve, and as we evolve, we transform. Indeed, as the book suggests, changing our habits can indeed change our life. Personal development and time management, as we have seen, are deeply interconnected. The wisdom shared by Marc Reklau in his book 30 Days has illuminated this connection, underlining the profound impact of our daily habits on our overall growth. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed. We've delved into the transformative power of time, a resource that, when managed well, can become an ally in our quest for success. We've also explored the essence of the book 30 Days, a guide that nudges us towards improving our habits, and in doing so, enhancing our lives. Effective time management and habit formation are not mere strategies. They're the stepping stones on the path of personal development, shaping us into better versions of ourselves. Each day presents a new opportunity to take a step forward, to learn, to grow, to evolve. Remember, the journey to personal development starts with a single step. And as Marc Reklau enlightens us, a step towards changing our habits can indeed change our lives.